We're in the gondola, heading down by ourselves, because people usually just ski down this. A little out of our league, so we're cautiously taking the gondola back down the hill. 11,700 plus elevation. I'd say it's the safest trip back. Beautiful views. Yep. Aspen's got some killer vistas.